Hello guys, welcome back to the another video. Today video is about iPhone 12. But before going to our topic, let's revisit at Apple launch event. So Apple has launched iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max and Mini, and they have lined up all the iPhone with 5G support and introduced the most powerful chipset A14 Bionic, which is only 5 nm, and the other features like durability, MagSafe, more enhanced camera quality with HDR Dolby Vision and also HomePad Mini. Now before the release of iPhone 12, there were rumors about iPhone 12 may not come with charger, which is confirmed by the Apple. From now, Apple does not provide charger in the box. In the box, you get one Lightning to USB-C cable. The main reason behind this is Apple making the company to reduce the carbon emission to 100%. And also by not providing charger in the box, it will reduce the box size and more shipping of the product will take place at minimum carbon emissions. Apple also says that by removing these items from the iPhone box, it will not only reduce the carbon emission but also avoid the mining and use of precious materials. By the end of 2030, Apple is planning to become 100% carbon-free brand. And in terms of box size, it can fit up to 70% more products on a shipping pallet, in which results in the Apple's global logistic chain. By making this big decision, Apple can reduce 2 million metric tons of carbon annually. So the question is, where is the charger? Well, here it is what Apple called MagSafe. The MagSafe is the new technology to charge iPhone 12. It has a magnetic ring at the back of iPhone 12 to charge. Simply what we have to do is put the iPhone on the magnetic charging disc. Apple also says that it will charge faster than the regular charger. It automatically detects and starts charging. In the new MagSafe, now you can charge iPhone 12 plus Apple Watch at the same time. And it also has the very portability, it can fit into a pocket and small in size. And the other thing is Apple also released some other leather cases in different colors for iPhone 12. This all leather cases has a magnetic support at the back of the cover. So what do you think? This would be the future of smartphones. Comment down what do you think and also give thumbs to this video and share with all the iPhone users.